In previous video we saw what is rectangular data. In this video we will see what is non-rectangular data. So there are multiple type of structured data and rectangular data is one of them. But apart from rectangular data, we have also non-rectangular data which are structured one. As you can see on screen that there are some non-rectangular data are mentioned like time series data records, spiral data records and graphs. So first one is time series data records. So it is nothing but successive measurement of same variable and it is very useful in forecasting methods. Like for weather forecasting, we use this type of data set. And data generated by IoT sensors also have same data structure, like a smartwatch tracking your blood pressure. And second one is spiral data structure used in mapping and location analysis. I will explain you this type of data structure in detail in later videos. As of now, this information is enough. And third one is graph or network. It is used to represent relationship between entities and it is useful in recommender system like friend recommendation in social media. And there are also many more non-rectangular data structure, but they are not useful at initial stage. So let's see some example of graph. So you can see on this portion, right bottom. So this is the graph data structure, and this type of data set is recommended or it is optimized for recommendation system. So the key idea is the basic data structure is in data science is rectangular matrix in which rows are records and column are variable, and terminology can be confusing because sometimes we say feature as input and target as predictions, and there are many synonyms for single term because there are variety of synonyms arising from the different discipline that contribute to data science like statistics, computer science and information technology, and domain specific discipline. So this is enough for this video and we will see you in next one.